Hello, my name is Jacinea Vela, and this is my presentation for E&J Gallo Winery Workplace Design. Skipping through the contents, the first assignment was a case study analysis where we had to identify important themes in the workplace. We chose well-being, connection, and control as our three most important themes, and we analyzed how our case studies utilized them. This is a comparison of the two and how they performed based on their amount of spaces contributing to well-being, connection, and for the site and building analysis, the site is located near Miami International Airport. It's easily accessible for traveling workers. Due to its location, there's a lot of noise pollution nearby. This sun analysis here shows how the sun will penetrate the windows during the day. This is important to consider when thinking about where to place computers and workstations. Some of the issues: close proximity to noise, as well as the large windows and the structural system. So a little bit about the company. Ernest and Julio Gallo started it in 1933 in California. They are a family-owned winery, and they've expanded to many parts of the world, over 110 countries. A little bit of their history. This is their organizational chart. The CEO is Joseph Gallo. He's the son of Ernest Gallo. These are some of the values that they have at Gallo. They are very traditional and have kept these values for a very long time, so they're very important to consider. The company's take on sustainability is that they see themselves as providing for future family generations, and they participate in different kinds of sustainable acts and have already accomplished things. The central purpose of the project is meant to display the company's commitment to their history and their tradition, as well as displaying their devotion to their future generations by becoming a space for innovations to ensure the winery's success in the Miami location. Some guidelines for the project are the use of natural materials to connect the users to nature, an implementation of educational sustainability practices to enhance the workspace, as well as educate the users and create an overall transparent environment. Creating spaces that will promote connections and opportunities for working in a team and collaborating, as well as a wine cellar and gathering area for wine tasting to connect the tradition of the company to the workplace. Some spaces that I included in the workplace are a wine cellar featuring a wine tasting area, as well as a dining area for the staff, and a hydroponic herb garden to provide for the kitchen's needs, as well as promote the idea of sustainability in the workplace. These are adjacencies showing the zoning. A stack diagram to show the relationship between the open to below spaces and the floors, as well as the stairs and the elevator that connect them. So my concept statement is paying tribute to Gallo's commitment to providing for the family's future generations, traditional fundamental values instilled by the Gallo brothers, natural elements and materials to provide connections to nature that demonstrate the importance of the earth to the company, transparent features to represent the need for a transparent workplace community at Gallo, and to encourage collaboration and innovation. So this is my concept model, consisting of materials such as wine bottles, different glass, as well as cork to represent the company, as well as vine-like structures to represent the natural aspects that the company values, and a structure to connect it all together and represent a transparent environment. So materiality board. Space planning and visualization. This is the level 2 floor plan. When you enter, the hydroponic garden is right near the entry. Over here is where the wine cellar and dining areas are, with a central kitchen and cafe. And on the workplace side, a central huddle and collaboration area, as well as a conference room and the manager's offices. For the mezzanine level, a small dining area, as well as the testing lab and garden access. Level 3, executive suites on open to below of the wine cellar, as well as the workstations with central collaboration areas. Reflected ceiling plan. Sections, longitudinal, showing the wine cellar and the dining, as as well as the stairs and the reception area. A transversal to show the connection between the private workspaces and the more public areas. Perspectives of the entry as well as an elevation of the cafe. Exit perspective, the hydroponic garden. Wine cellar. Level 2 workspaces. Mezzanine dining area, as well as the managers and executives' offices. Workspaces for level 3. Axonometric.